What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use promo codes in Travel Town. So if you're looking for a way to use promo codes here in Travel Town, well, there are going to be a few things that we need to understand. Now before, if you go to Travel Town here and click on the three bar icon at top left, or bottom left here and click on settings, usually you should have the option to use or enter a promo code in here. But they made a bunch of changes here on Travel Town. So what are those changes that we are talking about here? So the thing with Trouble Town here, in order for you to redeem rewards or promo codes here, they are no longer labeled as promo codes. Instead, they are promo links. Now, if you open up a browser here and just type in Travel Town codes, it should redirect you to different websites and different articles out there that you could use to get codes. So let's go and choose Travel Town codes here, and now it's going to redirect you in here. Let's go and scroll down a bit here. As you can see, it's going to give you Travel Town codes here. But then again, they are or they will be limited. So let's go and choose Simple Game Guide here. So this is for August 7. So as you can see, there's a link for 10 energy gift. So if you click on that link here, that should open up a new tab. Let's go and click on Open Link in new tab here, and it should redirect you to Travel Town again, and you should be able to claim those rewards. So unfortunately, if you have like a code that was present that was available before in Travel Town, you won't be able to claim them. Instead, you get link rewards. So they changed the game a bit here. So that's how they work as of this moment. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.